How to see an item number in Roblox Mobile. The first things first is access your Roblox app, then log into your account. Then after that, you'll have to go to any marketplace for you to choose on any items that you want to get the item number with. So click on more and then go to marketplace. So for example, we'll be adding this zip hoodie black to our favorites. To add that, just simply click on or press on the three dots right here and then add this item as your favorite. Now you won't be able to see it here on your phone. What you need to do is to access your Google Chrome browser from your mobile and then go to roblox.com and then press on continue browser. Now let's go ahead and head to my laptop here because it's actually the same interface. Now, once you have successfully logged in to your Roblox on your mobile device using the web browser, you just go ahead and go to your profile, or you can go ahead and search the specific item that you just added to your favorites immediately on the search bar right here, if you remember the name. So if you added this to your favorites, let's go to your profile. All right, let's wait for it to load up. Now, once you're on your profile, just simply click on the three dots right here and then go to favorites. And from here, you'll just have to click on those options in which where or what specific item that you added to your favorites. So in my case, I added like the gangster suit or the gangster t-shirt. So let's just go ahead to classic clothing. Classic shirts right here. So just click on the item that you added to your favorites. Now you will be routed to the specific items view. All you have to do is click on read more, and then right here under the subscription or description, you'll be able to see that item numbers. So this is the actual item number of the accessory that we just added to our favorites. So that's how you find an item number on Roblox Mobile.